The following message was transmitted by request of the United States Geological Survey. An earthquake with magnitude of 100 was spotted on the city of Pensacola. This earthquake is dangerous that could potentially end life. Seek shelter or evacuate if there's no shelters at all. Get in a table. This earthquake is dangerous. Message from Keck 86. This earthquake was spreading around across counties or areas. Escambia FL, Okaloosa FL, Santa Rosa FL. Mobile AL, Baldwin AL, beginning at 10:04 ending at 10:10. Seek shelter now.
The following message was transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service. A tornado that is EF5 is getting to the city of Dallas. Seek shelter now. This tornado might cause mass destruction across city of Dallas. We advise you to stay in closets. Or stay in bathrooms without any windows. Flying stuff will be possible. This tornado might cause a power outage to shut down every broadcast. Message from Comcast. To get the hell out of this fucking city. This message will end. Seek shelter now.
Wind gust at 38 miles per hour moving and heading towards San Luis Obispo. The following areas are San Luis Obispo, Los Angeles. The current time is. The following message was transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service. A tsunami warning was located near heading towards San Luis Obispo at the coast. Seek higher ground. Do not go any basement as they will be flooded on water. Repeat, seek higher ground. A tsunami warning was located and near at the coast of San Luis Obispo heading towards the following areas: San Luis Obispo, Los Angeles, Santa Barbara, San Jose, San Francisco. These areas are about to be hit by the tsunami. Seek higher ground.
For right now, wind gust is now getting more strong. Source radar indicated the wind will impact Manhattan. Alert. A warning has received in your radio. Please listen to the procedures. The following message was transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service. A large hurricane was spotted near at the coast of New York. We advise you to evacuate now. This hurricane is bringing storm surge, which is causing the Manhattan area to flood. Get out of the New York area and evacuate the inland. Do not seek shelter or get in the basement. These procedures will be flooded with the storm surge. Evacuate to Albany right now. This message will end.
Event type is emergency. That you need to listen to this. A tornado was spotted near Toronto moving 55 miles per hour wind gust. As of right now, this tornado might destroy every building. Seek shelter or evacuate. Beware of hail and thunderstorm. Be careful when you go outside. Please be careful when there's a thunderstorm. Message from Weather Radio Canada. This message will end.
Il s'agit d'une situation d'urgence. Vous devez écouter attentivement ce message. Une tornade a été repérée près de Toronto, avec des vents atteignant 55 000 par heure, environ 88 km/h. Cette tornade pourrait détruire tous les bâtiments. Mettez-vous à l'abri ou évacuez la zone. Méfiez-vous de la grêle et des orages. Soyez extrêmement prudent si vous sortez. Message de Radio Météo Canada. Ce message prendra fin sous peu.
We apologize for the interruption for this program. A national emergency alert is going to transmit at this moment and you need to pay attention to save your life. The current threat emergency. A mega tsunami has been located near at the coast of England. We advise you to evacuate and seek shelter. The tsunami will cause to flood the whole entire United Kingdom area. Armed forces and also people are evacuating to Northern Ireland. All radio stations will be shut down if there's no family or you're alone. Take evacuation boats to Germany, France, Sweden, Ireland, Spain, United States, Canada. This message came from the United Kingdom government along with the Virgin radio station. There's a 2% that this mega tsunami will flood the whole entire United Kingdom. This message ends. Thank you.
緊急警報。これは日本全国に向けた J アラートです。津波が東京都を襲いました。この津波は日本沿岸全体に影響を与える可能性があります。住民の皆様には避難をお願いします。避難船が日本各地に派遣されます。避難船は中国、韓国、インドネシア、フィリピン、台湾、ロシア、マレーシア、シンガポールへ向かいます。これらの国々が避難船の目的地です。今すぐ避難するか、高台に避難してください。日本のすべてのラジオ放送は停止されます。これは洪水に見舞われたイギリスと同様の状況です。日本は洪水に見舞われるでしょう。これらの国々への避難を希望される方は、日本政府が手配する避難船をご利用ください。このメッセージをお聞きいただきありがとうございました。このラジオ放送は間もなく停止します。
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Alerta, alerta. Este mensaje proviene del gobierno mexicano. En este momento, un volcán ha entrado en erupción en la zona de Tijuana. Evacúen de inmediato. Las siguientes áreas se ven afectadas por esta erupción volcánica: Baja California Sur, Sonora, Chihuahua y Nuevo León. Estos estados también están sufriendo sequía. Volcán. Monzones. Busquen refugio o evacúen si se encuentran en la zona del volcán. Manténganse alejados de la zona afectada. Este mensaje fue transmitido por la radio mexicana.
Alert, alert. This is from the Australian government. A cyclone is about to hit Sydney in 2 minutes. Evacuate now and seek shelter right now. This cyclone is powerful. Take these procedures right now. Step 1. Be careful of a cyclone. It can bring a storm surges. If you live near to a coastal city, you have to evacuate now and seek shelter. Step 2. If you have a coastal home, go into the inland area to protect yourself and families. Step 3. Beware of the cyclone. Cyclones can cause more damage in life and property. Protect yourselves and family. This includes the message of the Australian government.
The following message was transmitted by the request of the New Zealand government. A giant tsunami heading towards Wellington. Evacuate now. Seek higher ground. There will be no evacuation boat since New Zealand is east, but only you can get on boat to make it to the Pacific Islands. The only Pacific Islands that you can go is Hawaii, Tonga, Fiji, and Australia. This giant tsunami will flood the whole entire New Zealand nation. Evacuate now. I tukuna teni I karera I runga I te tono a te kawanatanga o aodiroa. He taiwanga nui kt here kit wanganui atara. Kuatai twa kit we, rapua he wenuatate. Kaore he podiwaka hiki I te mi kt tongrera o aodiroa, Ngari ko koe anate ka tia te piki podi ki tai ki nga muter o te moananui akiwa. Ko nga muter o te moananui akiwa anate ka tia e koe te here ko Hawaii, Tonga, Fiji, Mia Hideraria. Ka wakamate teni Taiwanga nui I te moda katoa o Aotearoa. We hate you in Iani.
The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test, please stand by. The President will be speaking all stations shortly, please stand by. My fellow Americans, this is Earth's worst nightmare. Every natural disasters are destroying countries, such as Mexico, United Kingdom, Japan, New Zealand, Australia, Canada. This is our worst nightmare. As the United States of America, we won't fall. We will win. We will win our freedom. As our President speaking, we won't fall, we won't lose, we will win. Seek shelter all. Evacuate everyone, this includes my message.